All right, guys, I haven't been completely honest with you because there's something I've been working on, some non-photography content that I've been working on for over a month now, and I'm finally ready to share it with you all. It's a new series I'm calling Crypto for Photographers, because crypto, whether you like it or not, it is the future, and I don't want my community being left behind. Roll intro. I've teamed up with Metaverse and NAS Academy to bring you Crypto for Photographers, a series where I educate you photographers about crypto and how it's taking on the establishment and bringing power back to the people. That's because we want you to make money with crypto and NFTs. Is it too late to get involved? Absolutely not. So crypto, you've probably heard a lot about it in the news this year. It's sort of died out a bit. You might have seen Logan Paul promoting his shitcoin, Dink Doink. For the love of God, please do not go anywhere near that. You might have heard that crypto is going to kill the traditional financial system. All that is just another Ponzi scheme. I know crypto is sort of completely off piece for this channel, and you might be thinking to yourself, I take photos, I'm a creative. What business do I have with crypto? Do you want to make money with your artwork? Then crypto should matter to you. Does this mean that this is turning into a crypto finance channel? Absolutely not. You're going to be getting crypto NFT content for the next few months on top of the normal photography stuff. So that's twice the reason to hit that subscribe button and twice the reason to follow me on Instagram at Zain Photo. The aim of this series is to educate photographers on this huge opportunity to make money with not only your artwork and your actual photos, but just generally money and investment. If you follow my channel and my work, I'm assuming that you have some sort of aspiration to start selling your work, to start selling your art. And crypto is empowering small artists like you and me like never before. Crypto is still brand new, it's the wild, wild west. You know, there's so much noise from the mainstream, there's so much noise from your mum and dad, from your friends. You know, it's really hard to know who to listen to. One minute you hear that it's going to the moon, and the other minute it's crashing. It's a lot to take in, it can get very confusing and quite frankly quite intimidating, and I felt the same way. So hopefully by the end of this series, we're going to change all that. Here's the plan for the next few months. The first month we'll be covering the fundamentals of crypto so that you really get a good grasp of the basic concepts and terminology surrounding crypto. You're going to need this in order to understand NFTs. NFTs is where you as an artist can make some really good money. Then after the first month, the following 2 months, we'll be covering NFTs. You know, we're going to learn what they are. You're going to learn why you as a photographer really should give a damn about them. Over the next few months, we're going to be talking to some really special guests from the crypto and NFT space. So guys, please submit any and every sort of concern, any sort of question that you have about crypto, any fears, any uncertainties, any doubts about crypto and NFTs. Please leave them down in the comments, or better yet, follow me on Instagram, throw me a DM there. I want as many questions as possible and we'll get them answered. As I said before, crypto is literally just getting started. If you think that you're late to the game, that is a complete and utter myth. And that's why I don't want my community being left behind. Web 1.0 was the dawn of the internet. We had dial-up and email, if you guys can remember that. With Web 2.0, we had Facebook, Uber, Google, Airbnb, and now we are at the dawn of Web 3.0, powered by blockchain and crypto. If you had a chance to invest in Google at the very beginning, knowing what you know now, it would be a no-brainer. You would invest in Google in a heartbeat. And that is how I want you guys to see this opportunity in crypto and NFTs. By the end of the series, you'll feel far more confident and comfortable about crypto and NFTs. You will understand the sort of things that you need to avoid and generally how to make better investment decisions. But ultimately, the goal of this series is to empower you to make your first step into crypto and NFTs. Disclaimer, this series is by no means meant to be considered as financial advice. This is purely a a source of education, a source of information to help you make better, more informed decisions for yourself. Please, please, please do your own research outside of this series. Don't just take my word for it. The next few months is going to be jam-packed with content. You're going to get, I'm just so excited for you guys. This is going to be huge. Yeah, so please, please, please subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Follow me on Instagram at Zain for more updates on this series as it progresses and unfolds. Yeah, guys, I'm pumped. I hope you guys are. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.